So today we're working on the suspension. It's a little messed up. I got another picture of it we'll put in. I went ahead and took this off yesterday. It's the stabilizer, I guess, and I'm replacing it with some MORryde stabilizers. The broken bit there is the shackle for the leaf springs. So at some point the shackle broke and the leaf spring's been riding on the frame. I got two 12-ton bottle jacks, got a mess of 4x4 blocks, different kinds of tools and things you need, wrenches, sockets, ratchets. So I'm gonna try to video as much of this I can. Hope I don't drop a house on me, shrivel up like a witch. So I'm using an 11/16 socket. Stick it on here. I'm using this crescent wrench as a cheater because those are super tight. I'm going to slide this on the end of here, and now I can get a little bit more leverage and break that loose. These, they haven't bit in like those have. So this is probably loose, yeah, but it's spinning on the back. So get my brake lines out of the way. I'm using a 21 millimeter on the back of this to be able to hold it in place so I can break this loose. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Sometimes you need just a little bit more coaxing. So I'm going to stick this hammer right here so I can use that as a leverage to be able to get that loose. I'm still going to have to cheat it. There, broke loose. Now I can reach back here and hold this one and just loosen that up. Now, I'm not taking these nuts completely off because I want to have a little bit of protection if I have some tension on something. So that won't completely slide out of there and hurt me. Alright, that's out of the way. Get this bushing out of here. Squirt in a little WD-40 to lubricate that. Slide in a new bushing. I say slide. I'm gonna drive it in with a hammer once I get it lined up right. I'm gonna take that out. Just like that. Boom. And there's that. Now I just have to redo everything with the new stuff. Thing to note is you're going to have leftover bushings because these MORryde suspension system, they come with bushings in them. So really all we got to do is lift this up here, slide the bolt through. Now somebody might note that I'm putting these in on the wrong side. They should be put, well, in every application I've seen, these grease zerks have been put on the other side. But I don't want to have to take my wheels off every time I grease these. So I'm not above crawling underneath here and shooting some grease in there. And so that's why I wanted them on this side, so I could get to them easier. As you can see here, that's not going to work. It's not going to make it all the way up there. So what I'm going to have to do is go down to the other end, jack up that side over there, which is going to cause this to come down, and then that's going to go up. When that goes up, I'll be able to put that in and be on my merry way. Now everything's installed. Got the bolt down here, the MORryde suspension stabilizer, and the bolt down there. Important safety note, I didn't hurt myself, but never get yourself in between here when you're up on jacks. If the trailer falls, this is going to be your pinch point. Stay underneath the axles. So there you have it. You can see the MORryde suspension stabilizer installed, and we've moved from where we were at about 100 and some miles away, and I've got to say it did increase the smoothness of the ride. There wasn't as much noise coming from the suspension during travel, and it really just seemed to ride better overall. I would recommend upgrading to the MORryde suspension if you're going to have your rig for a while, and if you want to have a better ride for pulling. So the next fix-it video I'll have is fixing this refrigerator. It went out on us on the way to where we're at now, and I'm going to have to order a new cooling unit and replace that. See you next time.